Hello guys and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to manage RAM and processor. You will press here and open the Virtualbox and you will choose the virtual machine that you want and then press here on settings, and then from here you will press on system, and then here is the motherboard. This is the memory, the base memory. You choose to set it from here, for example, but I will leave it at 1024. And from here the processor, you choose if you want to add another processor from this here, like this. These are two processors, here are 3, 4. This is the numbers of processors that you have, and this is the least number of processor. And from here, of course, by this indicator you choose the number of processors that you want to make. And after you have finished defining those settings, you click here on OK. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.